Up top. Bumbaras clot. Eh. Want to say good morning to the blood clot people we know so wanna tune into Jamaican people video. All the people we know so to pussy clot. Eh? Wanna move out right now figure work. Eh? Work is the plan. You see it? I see it now. See it now, see it now, see it now. Jamaican people upon the move for work. See how you too. You see? So all the people we know so I move when I move for work. Up top. See I say? What I deal with? Cold no blood clot out here in the morning. You see me I say? Yes man. Yes people. Want to give thanks to Father God here man. Oh clot. Want to give thanks to Father God here man to bumbo. You see how car start? It cold no blood clot out here in the dog. Yeah. Want to give thanks to Father God to pussy clot. You see me I say? So we'll live to see another day and get the opportunity. See it, figure work. You see me I say? Yeah man. So I think set up man. Yes my people. All I girl them want go on. Bless upon the blood clot self. All I people them want know say on the tuning right now to blood clot for take a ride. And keep my company if you got blood clot work. I say me left my car mix in a blood clot here. Look here. Ice. See that? Can't even squeeze no tight. Oh clot. Can't even squeeze no tight a blood clot paper. That motherfucker there freeze the fuck up, Jay. You see it? Freeze up. Yeah, me I tell you. This motherfucker freeze up, come like a ice to blood clot. Get one little bit out tight, see you still. Put the icicle on the blood clot lips now. Yes, people. I want to give thanks here, man. So, people. Well, me I go and warm up blood clot carrier. And I try warm up my blood clot self here. Me I tell you what I go on. So, when I don't know, so when I come in a blood clot man in well afternoon now to blood clot. Man up on the night shift, so when I don't know things set. Yeah, get to sleep all blood clot morning and get up and go work. You see it? So you want know? No. That boy there, that the old boy there, what they call, what they call him? Top shotter. A top shotter in name? Hey boy, top shotter. Wanna share that blood clot video for real? Top shotter. You want a top box in your bumbo clot? What you saying in top shotter? You want one top box and you want a motherfucker take it from way back round here so and come back and give you one slap in your raws when you're not where your gun. Your bumbo clot. I come like say your chigga happy. Boy, now first of all, Mavado, you is a pussy clot worthless boy, you know. You're too fucking worthless, you know, boy. And you say you're a bad man. You sing about you with a blood clot, gun them to blood clot. And first of all, you never shot off a boy face before. Mavado. Mavado, the police they must still look for your blood clot in a boy. The same way the police them do your pussy clot pupa, the same way them go blood clot do you. You hear me, boy? Your pussy clot. No, first of all, this is you that when you're a top shotter, you tell people say you're not sleeping in your car and you're not homeless. So the mama bumbo clot you take out dirty clothes out of your blood clot van for. And how the fuck you couldn't go rent hotel room to put your picture on your blood clot girl. Boy? Now first of all, yeah, you do one little shooting and yeah, you kill a man. But you never think one time or 1 second it could have been you bamba hole. No, honey, you. See, you get one little fame to pussy clot, your head get big. This dirty blood clot, twist up. Dreadlock, boy, you can't no dreadlock, you know. I twist it up and put in a sewing in blood clotted. This boy when you're Mavado. Whatever your blood clot in your body, boy. Now, how much money? Mavado, how much money you pay man for say them couple verse in your song? How much money you pay him for say couple verse in them the couple verse in your song, my youth? And this song not have nothing to do with him, man. This song not have nothing to do with what happened. Now all the fuck our bad song I mean no hear nothing what happened to the man in the song. Nothing a blood clot at all. Me don't understand that. Me confused to the pussy clot song. You see, me confused to the pussy clot song. Me don't understand that, Rasta. That no make no motherfucking sense, Rasta. You see me I say? It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense a pussy clot. Jamaican people, me confused. Yeah, because me not understand what I want. Zin, me confused. Because how come? Zin, how the fuck come? This man here, same did I get robbed because them that try thief in jewelry them. Eh? Man put gun on your head because man did want in jewelry. Now how much them that jewelry worth? That be one blood clot no, because if your pussy clot jewelry worth more than your family them to pussy clot, you need some fucking lick. Eh? Eh? But you need a top shot, you need some blood clot lick. Eh boy? Eh? How much them the jewelry worth? You could have sell them bumbo clot and go put your people them in a somewhere where them supposed to dead. Roof over them blood clotted. Eh boy? Eh? Now you come on here, your Mavado with no bag of blood clot fuckery. I no bag of bumbo clot antagonizing fucking music them. And Mavado, you know make no fucking sense you sing that in music that you put a clock. Me no understand it. Me listen to it over and over and over, me still no blood clot understand it. Me no know the fuck you try. What you hold on there? Hold on there. The top shatter is back. All the bumbo clot in back. You know back a bumbo clot boy. Fuck you mean? Eh? What you mean you back? Back where? Eh? Back where? Bumbo clot. You know, let me tell you something. You not think about it, you know. Because first of all, to put the clot, you know, you know say investigation still a go on. Investigation still a blood clot go on, you know. Because they talk to you, they find out what go on, where, find out film side of the story, you know. But they won't find out from the street. You have witness, somebody say what, see it? So you have witness, see it? So them still have investigation and go on and that if a blood clot look pan, you run around to pussy clot and do a bag of fuck quick. And I say bag of fuck quick. And I make Mavado turn in a blood clot fool. Cause Mavado to pussy clot in afraid of police. Eh? Dirty boy Mavado, you afraid of blood clot police pussy wall. Eh? Eh? You a blood clot coward. You want a blood clot gun where you sing about to pussy clot and your son to pussy clot do a bag of shooting down there. And your son one end up in a blood clot. Eh? A prison you a go. Eh? And to mama bumbo clot boy. Eh? You don't make no blood clot sense. You really don't make no blood clot sense, boy Mavado. You's a coward. Eh? You's a blood clot coward batty boy. Eh? Mavado, you's a fucking coward boy. Oh you coward so. Eh boy? Eh? And you sing about a bunch of blood clot gun them and you're a coward. You're not going back to Jamaica yet the boy soon get sentenced to prison. So them can't hold him and fuck him in the body. Eh? Cause they don't know. Hold him and fuck him in the body and make him turn up every day and every morning and crow. They might make him crow fucking 6 o'clock in the morning and then fucking when 5 o'clock come to pussy clot, they might make him turn up on the blood clot prison bar them and crow like one little pussy clot rooster. Eh? And fuck off him body. You know see what I go on? And blood clot, Mavado is a wicked blood clot boy. You say you make you all up blood clot money put you all and you not take care of your blood clot pitting them. Cause first of all, batty boy, you should have bumbo clot, eh? You should have pay out the boy and find the boy good liar so the boy can blood clot off. But what you do? You run well left Jamaica to blood clot. Run well left down there. That's your blood clot the boy. You run well left bumbo clot down there. And you come up America and you talk about say you're a citizen to post a clot and not one time you go pay your income tax. Eh? Not one blood clot and you go pay your income tax boy. Eh? When are the last time since you've been in America how much song you done put out? You did go pay your dose? You ask them little bumbo clot boy they where carry your gas studio, whatever them the manager boy they. You ask your manager boy if him pay your income tax because the manager boy they not go pay income tax, you know. You not going to pay film income tax and you not go pay for your blood clot. You's a fucking idiot. Eh? Yes, Mavado is a blood clot idiot boy. You's ashamed to pussy clot Jamaica to pussy clot cause Jamaica still a wonder why make you not come back down there. Eh? Tough up your chest and run back down there. Make the police them talk to your bumbo clot. Eh? The man them bust shut off of your blood clot and you run down a police station. And I go down they go cry to pussy clot and go down they go tell blood clot lie. Eh? Police them need you for questioning batty boy. Your bumbo clot yo. Police them there around the place yeah. Must see they down so. Yeah man. And the boy when you the boy them call top shot so hold on there. I name that then give now. Eh? I name that then give now. Say official and name that. Eh? You want a top shot of box in your blood clot, man, you. Because first of all, you should not think about your wife or your girlfriend and the little you take. If I or your baby mother, whatever you want call her. You should not think about them because you know fucking way you're in a big old blood clot America pussy hole and you're dead there up here asleep in your van. Eh? If you're not asleep in your blood clot fan in a boy, you know you say blood clot man come and try kill you. Eh? If you're not asleep in your blood clot fan, bamba hole and talk about you know blood clot homeless. You're homeless. You're bamba hole. Just because you get from Mavado to pussy clot, that's some Mavado and them boy they go on. I see him way when blood clot gully back they come up to pussy clot. Mavado is like a fucking shark. Eh? Him's like a bumbo clot ticks. Him's like a pussy clot lice. I see him way when blood clot gully back come up. I see him way in a gully back blood clot neck. Eh? See him way in a gully back blood clot neck. Anybody way lower than him and lesser than him, and try to come up off a blood clot them. Batty boy, eh? Batty boy, Mavado shot in a your blood clot boy. You too blood clot bad mind. That's why them chop across your blood clot face up. Because you too blood clot bad mind. Eh? Eh? The police them want catch you on your blood clot to see where your daddy used to turn. That's why police then kill a blood clot papa in a boy. That's why the blood clot police kill a papa boy. You bumbo, me hey boy, me lose half of your blood clot. You know make no blood clot sense. Eh? You know make no fucking sense, Rasta. Bumbo clot, what this boy? You come sing song to blood clot and the song no have nothing to do with blood clot, nothing. Eh? Song no have nothing to do with nothing. Bo, top shatter is blood clot back. Top shatter your bumbo clot. Eh? Eh? What kind of top shatter you is? Your bumbo clot, you shouldn't go sell a little gold piece. Me and them that sit there where you have on a real gold them there. We can't tell you no right now. Eh? Them that sit there where you have on a real gold them there. Bumbo clot. I want to try rob them little sitting there where you have round in neck. Eh? Them that sit there no real. You know see a stainless steel in my blood clot weird. Must I go and like say them sitting there real but the man that try taking jewelry. Man that try take your blood clot jewelry. Tell the blood clot truth. We know say a lie you tell to the media, and we know say a lie you tell to every blood clot body. You's a blood clot liar boy. You pussy clot, you. Jamaican people look right through your pussy clot. You bumbo hole, you. Eh? You know make no sense. But top shatter is back. Top shatter is back, your mama blood clot. Eh? Eh? Either way to go. Either your pussy clot did out there sell crack cocaine out there. And the boy watch your pussy clot and see where you do a blood clot do. Or the boy come and want the little old fan where you did have. Cause he must say you must have some money or some ganja or something in night. Eh? A dope you did a blood clot sell. You get rid of the blood clot dope before the bomber clot police them come. Boy, you can't tell Jamaican peanut a blood clot boy. Eh? You can't tell me nothing. You're under investigation. Your pussy clot you are under investigation. Your bumbo clot, you know, make no Ross clot sense, boy. How would this a boy, hold on, the Texas people, me don't want to no come that way, I only don't know if you drive, you know. Not all the blood clot. Turn up pussy hole where you do. Hurry up! Bumbo hole. You come from Texas, don't come down here with your Texas driving pussy hole. We will race up your blood clot over here. Bumbo clot, you come, I come slow down. All the blood clot, hold on, the Texas people. Me say Texas people. Hold on, the man. I saw you drive down there. Now, a turn. Why make you just go and go turn? When the blood clot, you slow down for you now. If you slow down to blood clot 0, if you turn in now. You can't turn at 30 miles per hour. You can't turn. Eh? Bumbo clot, you slow down. Get the fuck out of my blood clot way. Come me on the way to my blood clot job. Me don't know when him come up as I visit him, you know. Cause I'm now going blood clot way. Cause if not going nowhere, then you don't come out of my blood clot way. You see? Yes. Top shutter, let me tell you something. Since the original blood clot name that then give they know. Because I don't know what top shot about your blood clot. I gotta help you. Let me tell you that blood clot, I gotta help you. That the day there. Me I tell you that the morning there, I gotta help you. I mean, I hear you say nothing about God. Nothing about God a blood clot, now. We no hear you say nothing about God. I want make them people that try so dog. Me no hear you say nothing about Father God. Me no hear you say thank God, Father God help me to get the they get the energy for box with the gun. Thank Father God. Say, boy, Father God, give me the knowledge to do what me do. For papi boy. And get rid of the boy. You get me I say? Say it? That's something to do with blood clot jokes. You can't tell me about because when the police them question him bomb clot and look around in there and say, hold on there. But hold on, he might tell we say now. Say, he might tell we say now, say I jury them when have. And the jury them don't even work no rascal. Jokes him it out there, blood clots and the boy see him. The boy see him out there sell top shatter. And jokes they did out there sell boy. And the blood clot boy then see your pussy clot. Yeah? The boy see you and decide say I'm gonna rob your bumbo clot. Yeah man. Your bumbo clot you because you know your bumbo clot for you did that sleep. You know your pee and your pickney and your bumbo clot girl. You know make no fucking sense dog. Eh? Now my father don't find you to pussy clot. Eh? Cause my father, I know my father find you so fast. My father must sit down there which part you there. Say it, right? Which part you there? My father there. See, that's why I'm in link up with the some blood clot fast. I see where when Gully Bop did pussy clot come out of trash. Eh? See where when Gully Bop did come out of the blood clot trash. I see where my father did in the body hole. You see my father gave him blood clot name Gully Bop. And my father gave him the name, you know? You know see what I go on? Oh, Tande. You know Tande, man? Oh. Blood clot, my father see some money to put my clot when can't make to pussy clot in just sing one like a fucker song where we just put my man the inner it. And him knows if I didn't put my man the inner it and my man they say some words, him knows say this song I go shot. So what he do? He just come after that with some bunch of fuckery when I have nothing to do with what happened with the youth. My father is a blood clot idiot in a boy. You still need to go to Jamaica go get your questioning. Yeah. Because the man them shoot off of your blood clot and your dodge and blood clot duck. After you shoot off a man them and kill one. You bomber wall and you make your son take your blood clot blame for it. Your son have nothing to do with it. Your blood clot are you. Cause you what the police them say. Them are gonna lock up every one of your blood clot family until you come back to Jamaica. And what them do? Them lock up them blood clot, them lock up the grandmother, them lock up the mother, them lock up every pussy clot family of yours. In pussy hole, and you still not come back. And when the police them say you want this to blood clot and they say you not go blood clot come back, then let them go. But then hold on for your blood clot son because they say not a blood clot Ross, this like a blood clot Bubba Dread boy. Gonna come down here and come kill people and they run. We're gonna blood clot foreign. And after we call blood clot foreign, and foreign say, no man, we can't get rid of him because him not do no crime here in America and we don't see anything and we can't. Yeah, your blood clot, yo. I eat a go on. Yeah, I eat a go on people. Let me tell you what blood clot go on if you don't know blood clot, no. Jamaican people and tell you what go on Rasta. Say, I eat a blood clot go on dog. You say it? Yeah. My father, your blood clot, you say anytime your blood clot get catch. Anytime them catch your blood clot, you are fucked. You're fucked for no. You're wicked no blood clot, you should have never let you take that blame there for your dog. You want blood clot pitney. And then you go say I know for your pitney. Then where you and him go shoot gun for? Who not shoot gun for? Who tell you not to go shoot gun and then go shoot somebody and kill somebody to put the clot and now them all lock up your feet? Them are charging for your blood clot problem. I saw me know say the found a boy what this no blood clot. You know what this? The found the entertainer boy. One is a blood clot shame to pussy clot to the whole blood clot family and to the whole blood clot Jamaica and to the Dancehall blood clot community. You see me I say? Your bumper clot yo. You know say song when sing get what? About 800 and something people are put up. 800 or 8,000 people don't like your blood clot. This song is ridiculous. This song don't make no sense. The little people then can't listen to this song and pay a fucking gun in the fucking song. Boy, pay a gun. Pay a gun. Bumbo clot, pay a fucking violence in the blood clot song, boy. People can't listen to it. Me can't drive down the street and listen to it because police pull me over and hear me listen to that. Them want to lock me up to blood clot. Pay blood clot violence body boy. You need licking of your blood clot and couple chop with some blood clot matcha. Some matcha. Your bumba water fucking waste. And that the blood clot boy they will talk about say my youth, you's a fucking you is a dummy. You don't have no fucking sense, dog, but you're a top shotter. You don't no fucking top shotter, dog. Trust and believe that. You don't no top shotter. And first of all, to Pussyclad, if this actually make you become superstar, which you know become no fucking superstar because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense because when we did a look for this song that'll come out now, which it say you and Mavado did do a song, which mean you go sing a part and Mavado go sing a part and we do a combination and rare. Said, how the fuck? My man there, I tell Mavado, that's why I say Mavado one bad. Hey Mavado, pussy. Hey little leg pussy boy. You want bad mind pussy, well you know. So when you see the first blood clot interview, when Mavado come out and say, him on top shotter, I go do a song. Everyone I little you them put up a video and say, yes man, bumbuck to one little blood clot idiot there, I pull out like him not have no fucking sense. So everyone I little you them put up a video and say, yes man, blood clot top shotter get him buzz. Blood clot Mavado and top shotter go do a tune together. Now hold on there. Top shotter sit down in a blood clot studio chair and top shotter say, you wanna know? When this song come out, it's going to be bad. Saying bad. So you say, you know, bad. Mavado sit down on the other side and I say, yes man, I chill man. He not to say nothing, you know. Saying, and my little man, they say, oh, you know, say back in the days in the dark, they used to call me such and such and such and such. And you, Mavado, I saw they used to call you. And all along, Mavado said, says, pussy, well, you're not going to do the song, you know, after you're not going to sing nothing of this. You can't say about 3, 4, 5 verse and talk more, you talk more, you do no singing. Yeah. How much you pay a man for do that? How much you pay the man for do top shotter? Your blood clot, you? How much him pay you? Tell Jamaican pay my youth. How much him pay you for that? Bumbo clot, that me want blood clot no. And blood clot my father manager. How much you pay the man for blood clot do that? Tell Jamaican pay. On a pussy clot, you know, make no fucking sense, Rasta. You know, make no sense, dog. When you can't fool me, you know. Dirty blood clot boy, my father will hold this and you're a coward, no blood clot, you know, boy. You can't fool me. You hear me say? You blood clot, you. You don't make no blood clot sense, Rasta. No, man. No make sense. Fucking idiot. You not do it bag of fuckery, bag of talking. Watch the police boy down there, so. Everybody behind him, blood clot. Watch you know, I turn him on, turn off the now, you know. Fucking idiot. He can't catch nobody, so. Bumbo hole. Get another later. I fuck him and fuck with that motherfucker that we are riding him ass, you know. Hey, police boy, they dep on fuckery, you know. Yeah, man, I fuck with him dep on. Yeah, man, my man did ride him body. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my man did ride him body. Police boy, they dep on some pussy whole thing. Body boy. Yes, people. That's how I see it, dog. You see it? I see it the way I see it, the blood clot, and you know, more time I come on here, and I chat how it's supposed to be, you know, some pussy will want to go re, but that's true. I see how I see it, that's how it go. Boy, my father is a police boy, I want pussy will, you know. The boy turn off, and the boy turn back around and get behind me. That the police boy do. That in blood clot, yes. You know, easy a blood clot and my little money that ride the ass like him not no fucking sense. No rate you can't depend on the police also. The police want him blood clot. Yes, people. So blood clotting set. Go on my youth and say like green. What the fuck you slow down for? A green light that you know. Yes, paper. Yeah. Yes, people. So, like me said, boy, my father. You two blood clot with this boy and you're a coward. You hear me? He's a blood clot coward boy. Kind of make no blood clot sense to pussy clot. It don't make no sense. You put the man in the song, and the man not do no verse. The man saying was a singer. Give him name and everything. And instead they make him man sing a tune, sing a couple verse for the song, you make him man talk a couple verse for the song. How much you paying for that? Eh? How much you paying for that? Eh? Your blood clot, because you that fan them where you have, and them a go buy that blood clot. Come here and never play, get up in the morning and play that blood clot, you mad? Eh? Never get up in the morning and play that, they will put blood clot violence there. You see, you pay violence in that blood clot song. If you're a big entertainer, you shouldn't sing song will make blood clot sense. What you shouldn't do is map out the story. You see, map out the story from the man. Find out what exactly happened and sing exactly what happened. The song wouldn't be better. Yeah, you shouldn't map out the blood clot story, Rasta. But you don't map out the story. You just map out where you are going to say a few things and that's what you put. Yeah, the song is not a good song. Yeah. And anybody when I like this video, I don't give a fuck, but suck your mother. I really don't give a fuck. You see me? Me's a boy when him don't give a fuck. Alright? Yeah, the song, me no like it. Blood clot. You know see blood clot Buju Banton come out and sing a song. And the song where Buju Banton choose to sing. Him sing it. Eh? Him sing it. Him push it out there. See it? And guess how the song sound? The song sound brilliant. Blood clot. You know violence in a song. Everything where you say are true. He map out the song. That's why I said I found a boy who thinks you want to study dancehall, you know. You not study it. See it? You have to have big college education for studying and thing there. See it? You not smart man. What him should I do? Mavado, if he was a great singer, he should have map out the story. Like how Buju Banton map out the story. Him get a feeling and say, alright then, sell the phone and do a whole heap of corruption. Ray. And he map it out. And when he map it out, he deal with it. He come with it. Say it. Post it well, you don't know about no blood clot singing, man. You're not amateur still. And Mavado, you sing for too long. You use an amateur still, dude. Eh? You need to get your blood clot singing shit together. See? You know just like the girl them. Got the girl them a sing about them pussy and ray and lele. Hold on then. I have one more thing to say. Shancia. There you sing one song. And it called Fingers. Finger Me. That song there, I want good song. Yeah man. I'm glad to you sing about no lickings and then thing there. That song is a good song. You hear me? It's good for the girl them to get them finger in and them ras. Yeah? And she said if you want finger no work, put two in there. Yeah? Put two in there. Lord of mercy. Up there. Clot. All I fancy we cook 2D to Jamaican beating up on top. Don't know what thing set. See it? Funny work with that. See it? But like me say, when you take note, see it? The blood clot boy that we then call Mavado is a bad mind boy. Yeah? If you didn't make the man make some real blood clot money, you should have put the man on. The man same name such and such in the him is a DJ back in the days. You should have put on the blood clot man. But you know want the man get put on some. You just put on the man for say a couple verse for your song and shit. And you know, say from him say a couple verse by your song, you know, say song I go make a little money. See? And quite frankly, if you already pay the man and you and him don't make no type of deal where if the song make certain type of money, you give him fee cut off of the song. But you probably just pay the man because him come like say him need the money right away. Zed, so we know say you pay off the man. We know that for a fact, say you pay off the man. So whatever the song make, whatever the blood clot song make, a few, put in a few pocket. In batty boy, think you don't know what go on? Shut in a your bum clot, pussy hole. Eh? Worse like how Jamaican pay just pull up on the JOB and now batty boy Mavado. Eh? You know right? Blood clot muffler. So good not you? Yeah man. Yeah. Mavado, pussy hole. You know right, your mind dirty, your mind smutty pussy. Yeah man, you know right a blood clot, I mean understand say how the bomber clot, this a man that the pussy clot did something now, where him know say it's still under investigation because they no kill the infection and I find out what go on. See? And I mean no say them no talk to everybody in the neighborhood because as early as that in the morning, that early, I know say like 5 o'clock in the morning a blood clot. You see me I say? as something the youth seen do. Eh? Something the youth seen do. And first of all, that the boy they either cause the boy they have the gun pancaka. If the boy they have the gun pancaka, soon as my man they flinch, you don't be dead. Eh? Top shot, make me tell you something. The boy they have the gun pancaka, that gun and ain't work. I did fake. One out of blood clot, two. You see me I say? Now we know say you not have no criminal background. See it? We know say you not have no criminal background. And apparently, the police them find out say you not have no criminal background. See it? Because if you didn't have criminal background, you wouldn't get to have a gun. You understand what I say? So apparently, you must be on, you must be underneath the radar. See it? But you still on that need investigation, you know. Just don't forget that blood clot here. And Mavado, pay the man big money. Pay the man big money, pussy wall. And stop pussy clot be bad mind, bitch. Up top.